occurred at 16 kilometers and over Osmaniye, Turkey, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center (NEIC) of the USGS on October 11, 2022, 18:39 UTC. Preliminary analysis indicates that this is a moderate earthquake, but it is very shallow. Shallower quakes generally tend to be more damaging than deeper quakes. Based on the preliminary data, earthquakes of this depth and magnitude are expected to result in moderate to severe shaking within 45.0 kilometers, 27.96 miles, from the epicenter. Models do not show a significant concentration of population within this radius. Additional information will be provided as it becomes available by official sources. Epicenter, latitude, 37.219, longitude, 36.277.